Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I'll show you how to download video from Telegram. First, you want to go and open Telegram on your phone. Then you want to go and click on this hamburger icon on the top left side. Then go and click on settings. Then you should scroll down right here till you find here data and storage. You just have to tap on it. Then here you can see save to gallery or save to photos, whatever you have. Then you want to toggle these three options on, and you can click on each one of them and choose the maximum video size that you want to upload or maximum photo size that you want to download. I'm sorry, download, not upload. You can even choose you want to save to the gallery to the photos and videos, or only the photos or only the videos. And after that, you can go back. So now here, as you can see, I have this video. You just have to tap on it. Then you want to go and click on these three dots on the top right side. Then go and click on save to gallery right here. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.